it kept me. Everyone paying attention to it. And notice a very curious fact. None of this is being discussed. What's being discussed is tweets at 3 a.m. Various kinds of.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today, Professor Noam Chomsky, as a linguist, when you encountered the word Scientology, how come you did not object to its coexistence with the word scientist? When you encountered the word quantum computer, how come you did not object to the existence of clarification of superiority of mankind over it to avoid the risk of programmability? When you watch Matrix Trilogy and the concept of hacking into digital networks as Ron Hubbard did swiftly, how come you did not object to the coexistence of Omen and Matrix Trilogy and you participated in the Four Horsemen Trilogy? As a political activist, how come while you did not understand the meaning of terrorism after apparently a lot of efforts, how come you did not support boycotting Israeli products? As a human form, why are you trying to inspire an alien or fight for an alien to help you recover the shit you created as in the day Earth stands still? What was wrong with all you tried that did not work to save the world? How come you never replied to my emails properly? How come after I published a video complaining, you did not answer? Would you please do me a favor and coin a word for the order of evil you suffer from? Today, as a political activist, how come you what was wrong? How come what do you from?